Hello, in this video I will show you how you can add a zero in front of your number. So for example, we have here a list of products that are in our shelves, but the correct SKU number is something like that. Is SKU is 0102002079. So as we can see, we have a zero in the front, but when we add this zero in Excel automatically delete this zero. So this is very important for the codification in our product. So we have two ways to add this zero in the front in our number. So the first way, I would say the second way is slightly better, and is the way that we normally use in our warehouse. So the first way, we can add an apostrophe here and we can add a zero. So as we can see, voila, we have the zero in front of the number, but now we have a warning front cell that say the number in this cell is formatted as test and not or preset by an apostrophe. So this means that this data here is considered as a test and it's not considered anymore as a number. So along the way, if we want to work with this number mathematically or something like that, which is very important in Excel, or we want to create a series of number, maybe we might face a problem. So I would recommend the second way to add a number, and this way is we can right click here in the number, click on format cell, and then we're gonna go here and the last option that say custom, and then we're gonna type 0 as many characters has our codification. And we want to add a zero extra, which is going to be the zero in the front, and you can add as many zeros as you want. In this case, we just want one zero in the front. We click OK, and then now we have the zero in front of our number. And the best way about this, we can easily copy and paste this format here. So we click here, format painting, to copy the format, and then we're gonna paste it here in the rest of the number. And now we don't have any warnings. This is the cleanest and easy ways to add a zero in the front of your number, and you can work mathematically at zeros with this number. So if this video was useful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Thank you for watching.